Pocket doors have been around since the mid-1800s, becoming increasingly popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries as an architectural feature. These doors slide into a pocket in the wall, allowing for a seamless transition between rooms. However, with the rise of open-concept floor plans, pocket doors saw a decline in popularity, as homeowners favored large, open spaces. But with the recent shift towards smaller, more efficient living spaces, pocket doors have once again become a popular choice for homeowners. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of pocket doors, as well as their various applications. We will also provide some tips for choosing the right pocket door for your space and budget. Here are some advantages of having pocket doors. 1. Space saving. Pocket doors are an excellent choice for small spaces where traditional hinged doors would take up too much room. By sliding into the wall, pocket doors save valuable floor space, making them ideal for smaller apartments, condos, and tiny homes. 2. Aesthetically pleasing. One of the main reasons homeowners choose pocket doors is for their sleek, minimalist appearance. When closed, pocket doors blend seamlessly into the surrounding wall, creating an unbroken line. This can be especially helpful for those who want to maintain an open-concept design while still having the ability to separate different areas of the home. 3. Versatility. Pocket doors can be used in a variety of settings, from bathrooms and bedrooms to kitchens and living rooms. They offer a flexible solution that allows homeowners to create distinct spaces while maintaining an open feel. 4. Soundproofing. Pocket doors can be a great way to reduce noise between rooms. Because they slide into the wall, they create a tight seal that can potentially block out unwanted noise. 5. Accessibility. For those with mobility issues, pocket doors can be a great solution. Hinged doors can be difficult to navigate for those in wheelchairs or with walkers, but pocket doors slide easily out of the way, providing more space and making it easier to move around. On the other hand, here is a list of disadvantages of having pocket doors. 1. Installation. Installing a pocket door can be a complicated process that requires a skilled professional. The door must be mounted on a track that is secured to the top of the door frame, and the pocket must be carefully constructed to ensure the door slides smoothly and correctly. 2. Cost. Pocket doors can be more expensive than traditional hinged doors due to the additional hardware and labor required for installation. The cost may also vary depending on the type of door you choose and the features you require. 3. Maintenance. Because pocket doors slide along a track, they can be prone to wear and tear over time. The track may need to be cleaned or adjusted periodically, and the door itself may require lubrication to prevent sticking or jamming. 4. Limited insulation. While pocket doors can help reduce noise between rooms, they may not be as effective at blocking out cold or heat. Because they slide into a pocket in the wall, they may not provide as much insulation as a traditional hinged door. 5. Limited privacy. While pocket doors can provide a level of privacy between rooms, they may not be the best choice for areas that require complete seclusion or soundproofing. For example, pocket doors may not provide sufficient privacy for a bathroom or bedroom. Moreover, here is a list of pocket door applications. 1. Bathrooms. Pocket doors can be a great choice for small bathrooms where space is at a premium. They can be used to separate the toilet or shower area from the rest of the bathroom, providing additional privacy without taking up valuable floor space. 2. Kitchens. Pocket doors can be used to separate a kitchen from a dining or living area. This can be especially helpful for those who entertain frequently and want to hide kitchen messes from guests. 3. Bedrooms. Pocket doors can be used to separate a bedroom from a dressing room or closet, creating a seamless transition between the two areas. They can also be used to create a partition between a master bedroom and ensuite bathroom. 4. Living rooms. Pocket doors can be used to separate a living room from a dining room or home office, providing a flexible solution that allows homeowners to create distinct spaces while still maintaining an open feel. Furthermore, here is a list of things to consider when choosing the right pocket door. 1. Material. Pocket doors are available in a variety of materials including wood, glass, and metal. Choose a material that fits your style and budget. 2. Size. Pocket doors come in a range of sizes, so be sure to measure your space carefully to ensure the door will fit. Consider the clearance needed for the door to slide into the pocket, as well as the size of the door opening. 3. Style. Pocket doors are available in a range of styles, from traditional to contemporary. Consider the overall style of your home and choose a door that complements it. 4. Hardware. Pocket doors require hardware that allows them to slide smoothly along the track. Choose hardware that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Pocket doors can be a great choice for homeowners who want to save space, maintain an open concept feel, or create distinct spaces within their home. While they do have some drawbacks, the benefits outweigh the cons for many homeowners. When selecting a pocket door, consider the material, size, style, and hardware to ensure the door fits your space and budget. With the right installation, pocket doors can provide an efficient, stylish, and flexible solution for any home. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.